if you want to make your career in yoga, if you want to become a yoga teacher, and if you want to learn basic to advanced levels of yoga, then this video is for you guys. So hello everyone, it's me Master Jay here and namaste. Welcome to Jay Yoga Academy. So today I am making this video regarding my new yoga teacher training course. So I am going to start my new yoga teacher training course 500 hours from Yoga Alliance USA. It's a certified valid course worldwide, and behalf of this certificate you can work in India, also you can work outside India. So I specially designed this course so you can learn everything from basic to advanced level. In this special course I will teach you different styles of yoga like power yoga, hatha yoga, vinyasa yoga, yin yoga, ashtanga yoga, and some others important styles of yoga. Rather than that, I will teach you yoga with strap, yoga with blocks, yoga with ball, yoga with chair, yoga with stick, yoga with wall, some different styles like the Iyengar styles you can say. So because props, that one is very important for a beginner, and also it's give you help while you are doing any yoga pose. So I will teach you everything in this one course. So in this 500 hours Yttc, I will teach you all kind of pranayamas. I will teach you all kind of Shatkarmas, so cleansing technique, internal body cleansing, bandhas, chakras, mudras, and also I will teach you teaching style, how to teach a class. Our main focus will be on to the teaching methodology, because as a yoga teacher it's very important you should know how to teach a class, because while you are teaching class you should have proper topics, everything should be in one design. So I will teach you how to speak, how to breathe, how to walk, how to correct the postures, everything. So this is a special Yttc. If anyone who want to become a yoga teacher, please do this course. This is a very important course. Normally you will find some course outside, but they focus more on to the theory part. We have theory also, but our main focus on to the teaching methodology and practice. We believe in practice. If you know how to teach, if you know how to do pose, if you know the correct alignment of all the asanas, their benefit, their precaution, so this one is more good. So rather than that, also we will have like the prenatal yoga for the pregnant woman. Also we will have some kind of theory classes if someone have back pain, someone have shoulder pain, knee pain, arthritis, diabetes, obesity, weight loss classes. So everything only in this course. So guys, all the things I will write into the description, so you can go there, you can check about this course. If you have any kind of query, please message me on my WhatsApp. Also you can send me email. You go to my website www.jayyogaacademy.com. also so everything will be there. If sometime if you are busy, you cannot attend the class, in that case I will give you free recordings, okay? And also you can pay through installment. Someone if you cannot pay at one time, so you have installment facility, each month installment, so it will be easy for you guys. So rather than that, for now we have early bird discount. So this course it will be start from after 2-3 weeks in the March, it will be start new course. So don't delay, just join this course as soon as possible, and please share this video, and you just message me or just go to my website, book your seat as possible as you can. So thank you so much everyone. See you in my class. Thank you so much, and it's my guarantee to make you a very good yoga teacher. Namaste everyone. See you. Hari Om. Thank you.